Let's take a couple of minutes and check out the equalizer settings on Pioneer's DEH-X6700BT. So from any source, like the AM/FM radio source, let's press in on the volume control, and we want to scroll along until we find the audio menu. Here's the audio menu, and we're going to roll along here until we find the EQ settings, and let's press enter there. The first thing we'll see here is a number of equalizer curves, factory preset curves. So this is the flat curve, the super bass curve, powerful curve, natural curve, and the vocal curve. So you can just pick one of these, maybe the powerful curve for example, and press enter, and that curve will be set into your EQ and it will change the way things sound in your car. If you don't like exactly the way that is, let's make some custom settings. I'm going to press in on the volume control again and roll along now until we find custom number 1. Custom EQ setting number 1 is an independent EQ setting for the CD player, for the AM/FM radio, for the auxiliary, and for anything that is plugged into USB. So it's a custom setting for each one of those sources. So let's make some custom settings. Press in on the volume control, and here is our 5-band EQ. We can make an adjustment. First we can choose a frequency band, like for example 80 Hertz, and press in on the volume control, and now we can boost up 80 Hertz or cut that back. Press in again and move to another frequency, for example 2.5K. Press in again and we will cut that one back a little bit. So once you've made the adjustments to your custom EQ for each individual source that you like, you can press the band button to escape, or you can just press the go back button, and we can roll over to the next setting, which is our custom number 2 curve. And the custom number 2 curve is a shared EQ setting across all sources. And the same thing that we did for custom 1 we can do for custom 2. Press enter and we can make an adjustment here at we'll say 800 Hertz. We'll boost 800 Hertz up a little, press in on the volume control, go back to 250, and we will cut that one down a little. Whoop, I boosted that up. Let's cut it down this way. There we go. Alright, so once you've made those adjustments, at any time you can exit the EQ settings by pressing the band button to escape.